The Secret Charms 10 Uncommon Practices That Attract People Like Crazy. In a world where everyone is in constant pursuit of personal growth and self improvement, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. People are always seeking new ways to connect with others, but oftentimes, the most effective methods are rarely employed. In this essay, we will explore 10 unconventional strategies to attract people like never before. These hidden gems will not only make you more interesting, but also help you forge meaningful relationships. Number 1, the art of listening. We live in a world where communication is often dominated by personal narratives. However, taking the time to genuinely listen to others is a rare skill that can make you incredibly attractive. Active listening involves giving your full attention, asking thoughtful questions, and demonstrating empathy. By doing so, you show that you value their thoughts and experiences, which ultimately strengthens your connection. Number 2, practice random acts of kindness. A little kindness goes a long way, and people are naturally drawn to those who spread positivity. Performing small, unexpected acts of kindness, such as buying coffee for a stranger or leaving an uplifting note for a colleague, can create a powerful ripple effect. These acts not only make you more attractive to others, but they also brighten the world around you. Number 3, embrace your quirks. In a sea of conformity, those who embrace their unique qualities stand out. Instead of hiding your quirks, celebrate them. By confidently sharing your eccentricities, you create an atmosphere where others feel comfortable expressing their true selves, forming deeper connections. Number 4, become a storyteller. Captivating stories are powerful tools to attract people. By weaving engaging narratives and sharing personal experiences, you invite others to join you on a journey of discovery. Practice the art of storytelling to pique curiosity and create lasting impressions. 5, cultivate curiosity. Embrace a curious mindset and challenge yourself to learn new things continuously. By actively seeking novel experiences and knowledge, you become a more fascinating individual with diverse interests. This insatiable thirst for understanding will intrigue those around you. Number 6, embody positivity and gratitude. A positive attitude is infectious. By expressing gratitude for the little things in life, you cultivate an optimistic outlook that attracts others. Demonstrating appreciation for the people and experiences that surround you will leave a lasting impression. Number 7, master the art of presence. In our fast-paced, technology-driven society, genuine presence is a rare commodity. By putting away distractions and being fully present with others, you create a sense of connection and intimacy that is both alluring and refreshing. Number 8, laugh and encourage laughter. Laughter is a universal language that breaks down barriers and fosters connections. Sharing humor and encouraging laughter not only lightens the mood, but also makes you more approachable and attractive to others. Number 10, discover the power of vulnerability. Authenticity is magnetic, and being open about your struggles, fears, and insecurities can create deep connections with others. By embracing vulnerability, you demonstrate courage and strength, inspiring others to do the same. Number 10, find beauty in the ordinary. In a world that often overlooks the simple pleasures of life, finding beauty in everyday moments is a powerful way to attract people. Whether it's appreciating the colors of a sunset or the sound of laughter, recognizing the extraordinary in the ordinary can make you a beacon of positivity. Attracting people like crazy is not about grand gestures or superficial qualities, but rather the subtle practices that reflect our inner selves. By embracing these 10 uncommon practices, you can create an irresistible magnetism that draws people in, fosters genuine connections, and leaves a lasting impression. Remember that authentic connections come from a place of empathy, understanding, and genuine interest in others. And when you embody these qualities, you will undoubtedly attract people like crazy. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Mentally There. We'll see you next time.